Soon, the rescue train came. And got to work. The helicopter temporarily took the caboose off the rails to make room for the other cars. It was tricky for most of the coaches, but it was nothing the rescue train couldn't handle. Alright, is the holiday train in position? Don't worry about it. I successfully got it into position. It's ready to go. Alright then, you guys know what to do. The passengers that were in critical condition were loaded onto the boxcar, and the rescue engine took the boxcar away. After the rescue train came back, the rescue train took the holiday train to a work shed to be repaired. Well, I wonder what happened here. Officer, there was a train crash here and I don't know what caused it. Somehow a train accidentally came down this line. Well, one of our scout choppers reported suspicious activity at one of the switch points that led up to here. I decided to follow the tracks, and then I found this. Hey, Paul! What is it, Chase McCain? A bank robbery is currently in progress! I'm sorry, I have to go. See, son, I told you, the crooks have done the dirty work.